Hi friends, welcome to our channel. And in today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can delete your PIN password in Facebook Messenger application. Please subscribe to this channel, put your likes, and also don't forget to write comments after watching the video. So friends, let's get to our topic. First of all, open Facebook Messenger on your phone. Next, in the top left corner, click on the three bars, then click on the gear to go to Settings. Next, select Privacy and Confidentiality here. Then click on this section right here. And now store all messages. And now at the bottom you'll see this subsection right here, which has two items. And so you'll be able to first of all disable secure storage. And you'll be able to delete and disable secure storage. You choose whichever you prefer, but if you want to remove your PIN password so that you don't have to enter it when you log in to Messenger, then you click Delete, and then you confirm your action. And immediately your PIN password will be deleted. Friends, I hope this video was helpful for you. You have seen how you can easily delete PIN password in Messenger. Please don't forget to write your comments. Also put your likes and subscribe to our channel. See you soon.